Hello friends, so we are back today in continuation with the series of SSB. आज हम बात करेंगे डे 4 की, विच इज़ द डे 2 ऑफ GTO. अभी तक हमने आपको डे 1, डे 2 और डे 3 के बारे में बताया, तो आज हम बात करेंगे डे 4 की. उसमें कौन कौन से टास्क होते हैं और क्या उसका पूरा प्रोसीजर रहता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फ्रेंड्स, इन डे 4 so we are left with many less tasks that are to be done. पहला टास्क होता है आपका IO, which is called individual obstacle. There are set of 10 individual obstacles. A candidate is expected to complete all the tasks in 3 minutes. Try to cover as much as you can so that you get the good marks. There are marks for every task over there. The marks are in the following series: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 55 marks. So if you cover all the individual obstacles in span of 3 minutes, so 55 marks are awarded to you. So it makes a good impact over the GTO for your selection. Second task is command task, which is the CT. Many of the times candidate do not get chance to show up himself in a group. So in command task you are appointed as the commander and you are provided with 2 subordinates. Subordinates are going to be of your choice from your group only, and you have to perform the command task with the help of them and provided the helping materials to you, which are sometime rope, fatta and balli, sometime drum as well, which is movable, can be used for once or twice the instruction given by the GTO. Third task, that is FGT. So again, this is the last task and very important task, because for the last time you are going to be assessed by the GTO. So please try to give up your best. Sometime the person may be hesitating while performing the command task or while performing the individual obstacle. So again, you get chance to speak up and show up yourself in the group. So please do well in the full group task. So this is all about day 4, the GTO, day 2 of the SSB. And in the second half of the day, as I told you in my previous video, their interviews who are left are going to happen. So interviews keep on going till the last candidate do not reach for the interview. And very important information that I want to share with you, that Chandigarh Defence Academy, on every Monday we have batches of the SSB. So you can join us for 15 days and 30 days. We have proved many results in the past, and we have the expert and the officers retired from the SSB. So you can join us. Next, thank you friends, and one very important information that I want to share with you. On 26th of the January 2023, Chandigarh Defence Academy is going to conduct entrance examination for class 10th and class 11th. So you can register yourself before the dates get over. As we have the limited number of seats, so you can contact us on the given numbers, or you can log in into the Chandigarh Defence Academy site. Thank you friends.